everyone, Tania TSN here, and today I'm showing you one product review.
Feel my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced.
So today's product is simply a curling iron. So the link of that curling iron is gonna be down below in the description box. All I have to say about this curling iron is that I've been having it for 3 years, and honestly every time that I've did some curls with it, so maybe 2-3 times honestly, because I really try not to use a lot of heat on my hair to style them, but when I do, I really like this effect of curls, which is really loose, but at the same time I could do it on smaller sections and have really defined curls. Also, in just 5 seconds you get those kind of curls. So if you want to leave it for like 10 seconds, let's say, it's gonna be even more curly, and it's gonna be really shiny too. It's not really gonna damage your hair or really burn your hair. This curling iron is honestly really good working with my hair. As you can see, the curls are staying on my hair, and I really like the fact that the tip of this iron here, I don't know if you can see the difference, but this here is not heating at all. So when you want to hold your hair all the way through, so let's say you do this one, let's say, you can have it up to here, and then the very end you can put it here, so that at least you're not burning your fingers. But it also, I lost the glove actually that goes with it, but you also receive a glove in the box when you receive that iron, and that glove is going to make sure that even if you touch this part when it's plugged in, it doesn't burn you. So yeah, that's it. I really like this product, so I just wanted to show you and make sure I share it with everybody that's maybe looking for one. Anyways, the link is gonna be down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, so this is just a quick update on my website. I did it again all from scratch, so I just wanted to show you a little bit what you can find on there. You can find some blog posts. Most of my videos are actually also in a blog post where you can find over here on my website, but you can also find my shop on my website where you can actually shop all my Natural Me items as well as my handmade items from the Tania TSN African fabric line, where you can find edge band, puffy bands, and queen caps. Don't hesitate to go check it out, and I hope that you will like it.